Welcome! Today we shall learn how to access courses on Suraasa. To access your courses, type in course.suraasa.com in the address bar. Enter your registered email address as your login ID. This is followed by your password. Click on Login. Now you will be presented with the dashboard of your account. We shall look at the other options in the dashboard in the next video. For accessing your courses, you need to click on My Library tab. This will present you with the courses that have been added into your account. Click on the course that you would like to start. This will open another tab in the same browser. Take your time and read the details of the course along with the description. Click on Start Course to begin learning. Each course has been thoughtfully divided into several milestones. Take a look at the contents for the first milestone. Click on the Suraasa Code of Honor and read it carefully. Now you will see that as and when you open and complete studying the content, the consecutive activity, content or discussion gets unlocked automatically. Do not skip any content or video as all the data gets captured and becomes a part of your e-portfolio. After you have completed all the required coursework along with discussions and quizzes, you can close the tab. On your main screen, you have a notification icon that allows you to see and read all the activities happening on your posts and discussions. Next to that is a gear icon. Just click on that to log out from your account.